good.
Yes. Yes, you guys can
Take a shower.
Take a shower, do your laundry. I said, well, we have to come over to our house and do some laundry. Dang! Guess who's
We'll
bringing?
be there.
That's right.
We will be there.
So what about the drain that's by the furnace?
The floor drain there?
Yeah, like that top portion there, is that all backed up dirt, or is that part of the concrete?
I'm thinking it could be scale. So inside those pipes, probably cast iron down there.
Yeah, for sure.
They get scaly on the inside.
Yeah.
And then it just flicks away. So when you do have a backup, that's the first thing that floats to the top.
Okay.
Do you have time to take a second look at that?
Yes, sir.
You take off.
I have all the time in the world for my customers.
All right.
Laying it
You a
on
native
thick there.
Colorado
Laying it on
James?
thick there now.
No, I am not.
He's getting paid no matter what. It's basically that's it. As long as the time is being recorded, I'm getting paid. I get it, bro. I was the same way. But yeah, y'all go ahead and take forever to get that plane out of here. I'm just gonna wait my last hour of overtime for free.
Basically.
Like, look, the clock is only ticking for you. I'm working, so dollar amounts are always better than time.
Yes.
That's crazy how much water was really in there. Like all the way to the top.
I would say
I wonder if
gallons and gallons.
Gallons, I imagine. Because it was quite a bit of water that came out
do
of
you
there
think that
today.
one drained?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that one's gone. That one emptied the same amount. I was wondering what that noise was. All I heard was a loud. I was like, heck, did he just hit? Like, there's something down there for you to hit? I didn't even know. I thought it was closer than here than it was down.
Okay, that's going back into the house.
Okay.
Little critter left behind. It is pretty weird.
If you were to record this and just put it on Facebook, like, what are you looking at?
Yes.
Everyone would be like,
No, you'd have Plumber City or maybe like,
They would know, right?
That's a.
they would think that's a hole to a human or something. I promise you that. They're like, dang, dude, how deep do you go? Like, I don't know. I don't know what that is, but you tell me what you think it is. Well, whoever wins gets a prize. Like, that's insane. So is it stacked up anywhere in the house? Or did it have a part where it stopped going back in?
Usually anything in the basement is at stake, really. Any drain.
Oh, yeah.